This is Shobhana from Shobhana's Beauty Studio. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about oxygen, and yes, you heard me right, it's oxygen. Because if you don't get oxygen to your body, what will happen? You'll die. So that's it's as simple to make you understand. If you don't breathe, if you don't get enough oxygen to your body, what will happen? We'll just die. So the same way your skin need oxygen too. So if you're not getting enough oxygen to your face, that means that you're not you'll not have that life in your face anymore, like in your skin anymore. So what we wanted to do is, like, I wanted to oxygen facials over here. What it does usually do is, because I'll just give you a little bit of glimpses on that. So oxygen facial, it's a machine which is called oxygen infusion treatment facial machine. Okay, so what it usually does is, it has a small spray gun and it has a small bottle with oxygen machine. So what we usually do is, we use this natural oils, rosehip oil, vitamin E, and the ampules, and all kind of oils which is needed for your skin based on the skin problem. So what we usually do is, we just put this oils in the small bottle, and then we just use that spray gun along with this oxygen machine. So what it does is, it just gives you that mist on your skin. It sprays, the oils get sprays along with the oxygen, so it just opens your pores and it penetrates very well, and it just takes care of the problem which is there, whatever the scar marks or the acne or dullness or darkness or sunburn, just name it, whatever the skin issues you have, this is going to take care. And then the reason why I wanted to start this over here was, some of my very close friends and my clients, of course, and all my clients are my friends. So what they just told me was, Shobhana, we are using the best moisturizer, but we still feel that our skin is not getting the glow what we want, or it is not brightening, or it is not taking care of whatever the problem it is. So what I mean to say is, just do a simple test. Whatever the moisturizer you're using, no matter what brand and whatever it is, just when you apply the moisturizer, go closer to the fan and let the air feel your skin. If you feel the air going inside, and if you can breathe, then when your skin should breathe, then that means it's a good moisturizer. But some moisturizers, what it does is, it blocks your pores, it blocks your skin. It just you can feel that there is a film, like when you just go closer to the fan, you don't feel that air is passing through your pores. In that case, that means you're clogging your pores, and you're actually not doing good to your skin, but you're damaging your skin. Okay, so we at our studio, we're going to start this facials, oxygen infusion facials. So feel free to call us, and my number to reach is 925-236-2680. You can call me whenever, from 11 to 7, Monday to Saturday. Either me or my staff will be more than happy to help you out. You can just have the consultation, and I can always recommend what you can do it at home in order to just make your skin feel better. And this you definitely need the oxygen on your face, because that's something like what I feel in summer. We'll be going into the beaches and all kind of outdoor activities, so your skin need help. So we are here to help you out. So feel free to call me whenever you get a chance. And yeah, so we are using all natural products. There is no chemical involved, and this is very safe on your skin. I used it on my kids too, so they liked it, and it's very, very natural, so you really don't have to worry at all. Of course, my kids are teenagers, not kids, okay? So just wanted to let you know about that. So yeah, so it's really pretty good facial, and it just helps your skin to glow. And thank you. Okay, so feel free to call me, and I am very happy to help you out, and I'm very excited to start this. So that's it. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you soon, and I'll meet you soon, and have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you so much. Bye.